Welcome to the session in which we will talk about how to set a price for a product or service. In an earlier session, we saw why setting a price is important. Customers are always seeking to buy products and services at a lower price. A business should ask itself the question, why would anyone want to pay more for our product? If there is no good answer to that question, it would be wrong for the business to set a high price for its products or services. On the other hand, if the customers do see something special or different in the product or service, then they may be persuaded to pay a higher price for it. But that difference in the product for which a higher price is being charged must be viewed in the eyes of the customer when the customer compares the product of the business with the products of competitors' businesses. Here, viewed in the eyes of the customer is very important. Prices should not be set high only because the business feels its products and services are better than the competition. This brings us to the question, how does a business set a price for its product or service? We will discuss it in detail now. Take an example of Devi, a lady who makes soaps at home. Devi's business makes normal soaps, but she is thinking of making neem soap as it is seen to be better at containing viruses. In and around Devi's village, there are other small businesses which make Ayurvedic soaps such as neem and turmeric soaps. Let us understand the steps Devi needs to take to set a price for the neem soap. The first step Devi has to do is to create a list of soaps that other businesses make. She has to make sure that her list contains those soaps that match the neem soap which Devi wants to make. Now, Devi will have to ask herself a question. Would turmeric soaps be a competitor product for neem soaps? The correct answer is yes. This is because a customer who is wanting to buy neem soap could change her mind and buy turmeric soap instead. The goodness of both neem and turmeric for the human body has been accepted in India for hundreds of years. Hence, a future customer for Devi's business who may be wanting to buy neem soaps would be happy to buy turmeric soaps as well. Competitor products are those products that future customers are willing to buy from other businesses. These products could be the same or similar products, neem soap or turmeric soap. Once all the competitor soaps from other businesses are identified, Devi should list out the prices that consumers are required to pay for these soaps. The soap made by Devi must be priced similar to the soaps of the competitors' businesses. But should it be priced higher or priced lower, or same as other neem and turmeric soaps being sold in the market? The answer depends on whether the customers would assess Devi's neem soap to be better than or not as good as competitors' products, or on how far is Devi's soap very similar in features with the other products in the market. Devi has three options to set the price for a neem soap. First, if Devi's customers believe her product is better, she would have to set the price of her neem soap higher than the competitor neem soap prices. Second, if Devi's customers believe her neem soap is not as good as neem soaps of competitors, then she would have to set the price of her neem soap lower than the competitors' neem soap prices. Third, if Devi's neem soap is more or less similar to other soaps, she will have to set the price of her neem soap at the same price as that of other neem soaps in the market. We end this session by taking a quick look at the steps required for setting the price of a product or a service. First, a business needs to find out the prices of similar products or services that are bought by its target customers. Then, the business needs to check whether the target customers consider the new product or service to be better, same or worse than competitors. Lastly, the business needs to price the product or service depending on whether it is better, worse or same as the product of competitors.